My name's John Heilig and I'm a registered professional engineer in Queensland, having obtained degrees in engineering and a doctorate from the University of Queensland in the 1980s. Since that time, I've worked throughout the industry in the fields of blasting, drilling and blasting, and vibration analyses. Although I am a shot firer with 30 years of experience, my focus for this project is on the engineering aspects of ensuring that blasting can be undertaken safely and with due respect for the environmental controls on adjacent properties. I've been associated with many key projects where blasting has been involved within metres of key infrastructure. Some of these have even required blasting within several metres of properties. That should be compared to this particular project where we have separation distances in the order of 40 to 50 metres. Controlled blasting is an excavation method where a number of blast holes are drilled into a rock face to allow the rock to be broken into more manageable pieces. It involves drilling a series of blast holes, typically around 50 millimetres in diameter, into the rock face. These are subsequently loaded with a small quantity of explosive, and these are individually timed to achieve a detonation that produces manageable sized pieces of rock. All blasting, including controlled blasting, is strictly regulated and controlled by the agencies such as the Environmental Protection Authority, the Department of Planning, Industry and Environment, the DPIE, and Safe Work New South Wales. It is a common excavation technology that has been used on many projects and in fact was highlighted in the project's EIS documents. Every controlled blast is monitored to ensure the vibration levels remain within the compliance values. Vibration levels are monitored at several locations while controlled blasting is taking place to ensure that the levels meet the compliance values. The maximum vibration levels are determined by the EPA and are based upon human comfort criteria that are normally relevant for persons living next to large open cut mines, underground mines or construction sites who have to endure the ongoing vibration levels from blasting for a period of many years. These are well below the levels that would cause impact to structures like houses and buildings. Controlled blasting will be designed to generate a maximum level of vibration of 10 millimetres per second at the nearest residential property and at a frequency that does not present a risk of damage to the properties. Blasting dates back many centuries where it was used as a technique in the mining industry to help break rocks and liberate valuable minerals. Over time, the techniques have been improved and have found themselves as a valuable method in the construction industry. With the recent advancements in technology that have helped to sequence a blast and minimise vibration, the method has now become commonplace in the construction industry for the removal of large quantities of hard rock. Controlled blasting is designed to produce vibration at a level that will not cause damage to the properties. The vibration limit is set at 10 millimetres per second. The Australian standard, which is AS 2187, recommends a value of 50 millimetres per second at those range of frequencies we would expect from construction blasting to ensure that the vibration level does not cause property damage. As a precautionary approach, where the blasting may occur adjacent to a heritage listed building, the project team will adopt the German standard, the DIN 4150, for determining an appropriate level of vibration. The blasting will, however, be perceptible to some persons around the project site. This is entirely expected, and just because the vibration may be perceptible, there should be no suggestion that damage may occur. Buildings and other infrastructure are very resilient to vibration generated from blasting activities and are able to withstand levels of vibration many times that proposed in the EPA documents.